Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to make pickled beetroots. The beets are ripening at the moment here in Denmark. It's the height of the summer. And to preserve many of the beets for the coming winter, we're going to pickle them. They're going to taste so delicious. This spicy brine that we're going to make to put them in is just an explosion of flavor in your mouth from every bite that you take. So please follow along and learn how to make the pickled beet. I'll take you along step by step to make it easy for you. So let's get cracking.
First we'll need to clean and wash the beets. It's very important to remove all the dirt, so let's start by removing the leaves, the stem of the beets. After removing the leaves and the stem, we're going to wash them, scrub them, make sure all the dirt is washed off. After they have been thoroughly washed, we're going to transfer them into a pot with some water. We need to boil them for at least 30 minutes to make them tender and to loosen the skin of the beets. The beets need to boil for approximately 30 minutes. While the beets are cooking, I'm going to prepare the brine. For this recipe, we're going to use some vinegar. I have 5 deciliters of white vinegar and 3 deciliters of my own homemade red wine vinegar. Then we're going to use some spices. Here are a cinnamon stick, peppercorns, approximately a tablespoon of mustard seed, some cardamom, and some cloves. Bay leaves, freshly picked bay leaves as well, approximately 5 pieces, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 400 grams of sugar. While we're waiting for the beets to be boiled, we can begin to prepare the brine. Just put all the ingredients into a pot and heat it up, and then let it simmer for some time to extract all the flavors. When the beet has been cooking for 30 minutes, it's time to cool them down. Pour out the water and then rinse them off with cold tap water. They need to be in the cold tap water for half an hour to make sure that they are all cooled down, so the skin will loosen very easily. So we're just going to rub the skin of it. It will just peel off quite easy. Let's cut the beets to preferable sizes. Remember to wear gloves. It stains a lot. The jars have all been sterilized, cooked in a pot before. Always sterilize a couple more than you need. It's so easy to underestimate the amount that you are making. So I've been counting on that I'll do 4 jars, but it happens to be that I've only got beets for 3 jars, but fill the jars with brine, almost to the top of the jar. Make sure some of the spices get in as well. That will develop the flavor over time.
And that's the reason that you put them upside down after you close the lid, just to make sure that the lid is okay. So now it's time to put them back into the pot to let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes to make sure that all is sterile inside of the jars.
And here you are, nice pickled beets for the winter. And I can guarantee you this is so flavorful and it's very easy peasy. So remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.